सबसे पहले तो ये है कि थोड़ा बहुत आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए गाने की। आप थोड़े सुर अपना, अगर आपके पास कोई कीबोर्ड है या हारमोनियम है, आप रोज़ उसका थोड़ा बहुत रियाज़ करिए। अगर आप रियाज़ नहीं करेंगे तो आप गा नहीं पाएंगे ढंग से। और अगर इसके लिए अगर आपको कोई हेल्प चाहिए तो आप बेशक मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं। आप मैं आपको छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें बताऊंगी जिससे आपका गला खुले और आप अ, गा सकते हैं। दूसरी बात ये कि हम जब भी गाएं तो अपने आप को सुने कि हम क्या गा रहे हैं। हम नीचे नीचे के सुर से, स्वर से ऊपर जा रहे हैं, स्मूथली जा रहे हैं या कटाश होता है। ये सब छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, होती हैं जो हमें हमें इसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
बहुत थैंक यू,
हाँ,
बहुत
ठीक
अच्छी
है
बात
कि
है।
हम लोग आंख बंद करके गाते हैं, लेकिन सुनिए कि आप क्या गा रहे हो, म्यूजिक कहाँ जा रहा है, आप क्या गा रहे हो। जब इट्स थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने कहा था और दे फाउंड इट वेरी फनी कि म्यूजिक इज़ नॉट, सिंगिंग इज़ नॉट अ पिकनिक। एंड वाकई इट इज़न्ट। क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी गाना लें और उसकी उसको गाने मैं अपना तजुर्बा बताती हूँ। मैंने एक गाना अगर 50 बार 100 बार सुना होगा, लेकिन उसको मैं कोशिश करूँगी गाने की, तो आप समझते हैं कि मैं ढंग से गा पाऊँगी ना। मुझे उसका रियाज़ करना पड़ेगा, उसको सुन सुन के, उसको सुन सुन के। तो इसी तरह से गाया जाता है। सो इफ़ यू आर अ सीरियस सिंगर, यू विल पे अटेंशन टू दैट। तो ज़रूरत पड़े तो मुझे आप कॉल करिए, मैं आपको हेल्प करने की कोशिश करूँगी।
बहुत धन्यवाद आपका मीनू जी। आपको बता दें कि हम आप सबसे निवेदन करते हैं कि अपना एक रिकॉर्डेड सॉन्ग हमें निश्चय भेजिए बाय फ्राइडे इवनिंग 6 पीएम, मे बी वी कैन गिव टिल 9 पीएम। हम आप सबसे अनुरोध करते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं दैट वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग अ पैकेज फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स। एवरी वीक के लिए हम लोग धीरे धीरे बाय स्लॉट्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आप इच्छुक हैं कि आपको भी एक मौका मिले रेडियो जिंदगी पर फीचर स्टार के रूप में आने के लिए, तो प्लीज इस फ्राइडे के 9 पीएम तक हमें अपना एक रिकॉर्डेड सॉन्ग भेजिए। और उसके बाद we'll analyze and we'll let you know of about what is the plan for the song. If it is accepted, I mean, it's amazing, I keep my fingers crossed, but if we can improve it, then we will request you for joining our session, because हम एक सेशन और भी करेंगे। बट आज हम बहुत लकी हैं कि दीपा जी, मनीष जी दोनों हमारे साथ हैं। और अब मैं निवेदन करूंगी कि टेक्निकल रिकॉर्डिंग में मैंने आप जब रिकॉर्ड करते हैं कौन सी पॉइंट्स का हमें ध्यान बहुत ज़रूरी है देना, ताकि क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड म्यूजिक बहुत उभर कर आए। कभी कभी हम शायद छोटी छोटी बातें, जैसे मीनू जी ने कहा, हम उसको नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं। बट प्लीज लेट्स पुट आवर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड वेलकम। फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम मनीष जी टू प्लीज सजेस्ट एंड गाइड अस of how to have a radio ready quality music. स्वागत है आपका मनीष जी।
बहुत धन्यवाद। तो मैं पहली चीज तो यही कहूंगा कि रिकॉर्डिंग इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप। हाँ, पहला स्टेप तो जो मीनू जी ने बताया, आपको रियाज करना है। जितना ज्यादा आप रियाज करेंगे उतना आपके गायकी में इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, भले आपने सीखा हो नहीं सीखा हो। प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट, और रियाज से आप उसको कर सकते हैं। ठीक। दूसरी चीज ये है कि पहले आपको साउंड प्रोड्यूस करनी है अच्छी क्वालिटी की रिकॉर्डिंग से पहले, क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड तो वही होगा जो भी आपकी बेस्ट क्वालिटी साउंड आप प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, उससे बेटर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो सकती। तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस द बेस्ट क्वालिटी साउंड। और उसके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। मैंने जैसे बताया, आई थिंक कहीं कहीं पे मैंने ये भी लिखा था कि रिकॉर्डिंग तो आप एक, आजकल आईफोन का भी माइक्रोफोन इतना एडवांस्ड है कि अगर आप चाहें, और मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया है आईफोन से, और रेडियो में, रेडियो जिंदगी में भी बजाया गया है उसको, it can produce that kind of quality. But obviously we are going to tell you about better ways to record. But सबसे पहली चीज जो होगी वो आपको ये देखना होगा कि कैसे आप साउंड प्रोड्यूस अच्छी क्वालिटी की कर सकते हैं, है ना। और एक चीज तो है कि जूम में हमको अच्छी सुनाई दे, बट मोर देन दैट आप उसको उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी से सुन पा रहे हैं कि नहीं। तो वो आप पहले देखिए। उसके लिए अगर किसी को कुछ हेल्प चाहिए, आई थिंक कुछ लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है, मैंने थोड़ा बताया भी है, और अगर आगे हेल्प चाहिए तो आप मुझे और आई एम श्योर दीपा जी को भी मैं अपनी ओर से वॉलंटियर कर दे रहा हूँ कि उनसे आप लोग, you can reach out to us, we can help you with the instruments that you need to produce good quality sound. And then next step comes recording. तो recording के बहुत सारे options हैं उसमें आप as I said, if you produce very good sound, the very simplistic way could be कि अगर आप ठीक से place करें अपना iPhone तो उसमें भी काफी अच्छी recording आजकल हो जाती है. नहीं तो you can somehow bring your output of the music into your computer. Again, if you're bringing to computer, it's better to bring it either through USB or through a line in, because then it will give you a better quality recording. And then there are software depending on which platform you use. Mac में ज़्यादा आसान है मेरे ख्याल से audio recordings करना. You can either use जो उनका GarageBand होता है, और yeah, or you can even use जो इस क्या बोलते हैं QuickTime Player. I actually, GarageBand is quite complicated. I have used that in past, but when I have to do a quick recording, I use QuickTime and it does excellent recording.
ये एक Audacity भी है ना, Audacity भी कर
हाँ, तो वही I was coming to that. But if you are on Windows, or if you want to use something else, Audacity is one of the best free softwares that's available out there. Again, I don't think you have a lot of time today to get into details. I would leave it to Deepaji to add whatever she has, and then, if there are specific questions, we can try to answer those.
बिल्कुल दीपा जी, आपका स्वागत है। और एक और मैं आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ कि बोथ दीपा जी एंड मनीष जी आर वेरी बिजी IT प्रोफेशनल्स, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग 1-to-1 हमने ये प्लान किया है कि इधर यू रीच आउट टू मी और कनिका वाहिजी, जिनको हम लीड दे रहे हैं रोल टू कोऑर्डिनेट ऑल दीज सेशंस, सो दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ 1-to-1 वी हैव 10-15 पीपल टुगेदर एंड एक साथ करेंगे तो दीपा जी मनीष जी का समय बहुत बचेगा. वी डोंट वांट टू बॉदर देम एट ऑल टाइम्स. सो आप अगर मुझे या कनिका जी को रीच आउट करेंगे तो वील ऑर्गेनाइज वन टोटली डेडिकेटेड सेशन फॉर ऑल योर क्वेरीज एंड डाउट्स. तो आज आप अगर कुछ पूछना चाहें तो पूछिए, जरूर पूछिए, बिकॉज आज हमारे सिंगर्स कम हैं. वी हैव टाइम, we have today an opportunity to learn how do we do good quality recording for radio, because it's an opportunity for all of us. because मानिए न मानिए आप सबको फीचर किया जाएगा. हम कोशिश करेंगे, इतना हमारा प्रयास रहेगा कि आप सब कम से कम एक बार रेडियो पर फीचर हो, रेडियो आर्टिस्ट बने. लेकिन हम ये नहीं चाहते कि आप अपने आप से आपकी क्वालिटी रेडियो पे कम लगे, बिकॉज इट विल, आप जो हैं वैसा बन के आइए, हम ये चाहते हैं. इसमें हम टेक्नोलॉजी में आपका साथ देंगे, सहारा बनेंगे, विल गाइड यू, विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट एटलीस्ट. तो आपका ये अब आपके हाथों में है. हमने तो अपनी बात रख दी, आप जितना कोशिश जितना प्रयास करेंगे उतना आगे आप जा पाएंगे. तो आइए दीपा जी का स्वागत करते हैं, बिकॉज शी आल्सो हैज एन अमेजिंग fundamental knowledge about music development, especially from the technical side. So Deepa ji, आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you, Archana ji. So if we have 5 minutes, I know you'd asked me to make like a quick presentation with a step-by-step instruction. Agar time hai, to I can go over it in 5 minutes and we can send that out.
Please take your time.
But otherwise we can.
No, this is a lifetime learning, because Deepa, even Meenu ji, main, Govind ji, everybody wanted to learn this. So this is a learning which will help us futuristically. हमारे भविष्य को help करेगा. तो please take your time, no rush. आप please बताइए how we improve ourselves. Should I give you share?
If you can give, yeah.
I'll give you. There you go.
Thank you.
I request all of you to please थोड़ा observe करेंगे और हम सीखेंगे तो हमारे भले के लिए बहुत helpful होगा future के लिए. तो I request all of you to please pay attention to what she's saying.
So are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So like Manish ji was saying, you don't necessarily need a laptop to record. But where a laptop helps is if you want to do your recording such that you have your karaoke track on a separate track, and then your voice, and it gives you a little more flexibility and more advanced settings of doing the mix properly between the track and your voice. But this is not a must-have. I agree completely with Manish ji that you could do a very good quality recording with the phone, as long as you're careful about where you're playing your track, what volume you're playing at, and how much your voice is projected. So it's possible to do with a phone. Where the laptop helps is, even if you're recording, your voice volume was low, you can adjust it a little bit to make it sound a little better. So software, like we said, GarageBand or Audacity, if you're on Windows, Audacity works on Mac as well. It's a very good software. It's open source, but again, the interface might be a little complicated to get used to. So just something to keep in mind. Microphone and mixer are optional. But when we share this document, it has the links to, basic microphone and mixer if you want to try those out. But all of this, I would say, start simple, because everything needs a learning curve. Again, I think the basics are more important. The singing, focus on singing and focus on how your song is coming out is more important than all of this. But once you've practiced your song and you want to get the best output, please definitely explore these. We will help you out. The tips, again, I think one thing that sometimes we overlook is the quality of the karaoke track. So pay attention to the karaoke track that you pick, because that can also enhance or bring down your performance. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, practice your song well before recording. And as Minuji said, I think many times I find that when I sing and record, then I'm able to find mistakes in my singing and I can improve. Sometimes when you're singing, you don't realize it sounds right to you, but when you record, you'll find more mistakes and more things that you can fine tune. So I would say when you're practicing, record, listen back to your recording, and that I think itself will help you improve a lot more. And then when you're doing your final recording, record the karaoke and the vocal as separate tracks. Two advantages here, because it'll help you adjust the relative volume between the vocals in the track after you record. So that way you're not having to re-record each time to get that mix well. Also, you'll be able to adjust some settings like reverb for your vocal track, etc., which you can slightly enhance and improve the feel of the voice. So I'll just go through quickly just the basic steps. Again, this is just for your reference. You can try it out, and then once you've tried it out, if many people have questions, we can do a live session. So when you go to GarageBand, you'll just have to create a new project. That's pretty simple. And you'll create an audio track.
One second, there's
Sure.
a message called blank screen. So can somebody please say yes or no? They can see the screen, because I can see the screen.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, perfect. So maybe it's just, okay. Go ahead, please go ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So the first step, of course, is to just create a project. And this is how GarageBand will open up. So you just say empty project. And then you'll be given a prompt to create an audio track. Just choose record using microphone. And default, if you're recording with your Mac or your Mac microphone, just make sure that what you're seeing here is that it's showing that the input is the Mac microphone. And if you're having a mixer, then you'll have to make sure that that is the input that's showing up. But again, that's advanced. So if you don't have it, don't worry about it. This is for basic recording. Make sure that your Mac microphone is showing up. And then you want to record the karaoke track. Again, two ways. You could record it directly, but then if you're playing it outside, you have to make sure that you're in a quiet environment, or as Manishji said earlier, you want to use a USB in to record. Otherwise, just drag. If you have a track, that's great. You just drag and drop the karaoke track, and you will have that as on your first track here. The last step is to create another track. So basically, you're seeing there's the karaoke track that we have here, and then you'll create a new track. On this, you'll record your vocals. And one key thing here is to make sure that you're listening to the karaoke track on headphones while you're recording. Otherwise, you're going to re-record the track and your voice, and that's not what we want. So basically, you want to hear the track on one separate thing here, and you want to hear your vocals on a separate track here. So that's kind of the basics.
One question. I'm confused about you're playing the karaoke and singing along with it. So
Yes.
in Audacity,
Yes.
we just played. How do we make sure, as you said, it should not re-record itself, the track? How?
Yeah. So what you will do is you will plug in your headphones. And as you start recording, what will happen is GarageBand or Audacity, what it will do is it will play the other track. So that the track that you're recording, it will record on. The other track, it will just play. But when it's playing into your headphones and you're listening to it on your headphones. But what you're recording is going into the microphone. So that way, so it's a good question that you asked, Archanaji. So that's how it will work.
Yeah,
but if you didn't,
maybe you should bold that you, with this thing, you have to use the headphones, because if you just use the built-in speakers, then it will loop back and re-record with your voice some of the music. So
and it'll defeat the purpose.
So if you put a headphone, the track will play to the headphone and our voice will be recorded as a second track and get combined. Perfect.
Right.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Another question, if you don't mind, can you flip back to the step number 3?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. No problem.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Also, Deepaji, can you share this deck with our
Yeah,
group?
absolutely. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, of course.
Can I say something, Deepaji? Sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt.
yeah, yeah.
One thing, because not many people may have, because people like me who play from YouTube mostly
Yes.
may not have the track already. So the drag drop may not work, but there
Yes.
is a way you can actually play on your computer and do the recording of that track as it is.
Yes.
So you can do that also instead of dragging and dropping here.
So Manish,
Yes.
do you have a way of presenting? If you can show us how you do it on screen, can you help us show that? I know it's, yeah, I'm putting on the spot, but if possible, that is a request.
I can't remember. The GarageBand can it do that, or QuickTime can do that? I know you can record whatever.
Yes.
The screen recording, you mean?
Yeah. So
Okay.
whatever is playing on your computer, you can record. See, some of these things are easier on Windows. Mac makes it a bit difficult, few things. So you have to, on Mac, you have to, I mean, I think it'll take time if I have to show that, because you may
Yes.
need some loopback software to
Oh, okay, sure.
record.
We'll have another session
Yeah.
for sure,
sound.
and you can prepare
Yeah.
also a little bit. At this moment, it just was impromptu. So yeah, Deepaji, can you yeah, disable the
I
screen
posted
share?
a question. I posted a question on the
Yeah, we'll be just
chat.
back on the screen once she disables the shares. Perfect. So yeah, please, all friends, feel free to ask questions if you have any questions, because here is a chance to bring all your queries when you have difficulty in, recording. So I want you to please ask question at this moment. So I'll put it at the gallery view, and here is the audience time. If you had any difficulty in past, please do, yeah, ask. Yes, Kiritji.
Can I ask? Yeah, I have recorded on Meragana recording, and actually I sent one to you, Archana yesterday. Now, that's a total product, right? It has got a Meragana track, and it's all music and my voice combined. It seems like that's not going to work for this radio recording. You have to do this separate, different type. And so what I may have to do is just either call up Deepaji or Minuji and maybe try to get this new thing done, because what happens with Meragana, I don't think it's going to work for the recording. Is that right?
So, Kiritji,
For the radio show.
Can I say something? I have never used Meragana, but I thought these kind of softwares let you record so you can play back and listen to yourself. I think that's the main benefit. So it doesn't focus much on the quality of the recording. It's for you to listen and improve. As Deepaji was saying, if you record and listen back, then you will find things you can improve.
Yes.
I also want to say one thing. What Deepaji showed is actually one of the best ways you can record. That way you can, through post-processing, you can adjust your volume level. But if you have difficulty doing that, then, and if you have a mixer, then you can do that mixing ahead of time and then record it either through Audacity or GarageBand, any software, then it'll be easier. So don't get overwhelmed that, you know, you have to record like this on 2 tracks. That's not mandatory. That's the best thing to do. Anybody who's capable of doing some post-processing, it gives you flexibility to adjust your relative volume of track and vocals, and also let add reverb, etc. But if you think it's too much, don't be disheartened.
Yes, I completely agree.
You can do some mixing using a mixer or some other simpler karaoke machine kind of setup, and then do the recording using just a single track.
I have a question, Manishji. Yeah, sorry. About the sorry, Kiritji. Even since you're talking about the mixer, I have been wanting to buy one mixer, but there are so many brands and different varieties. So would you please recommend simple? I mean, whatever is needed for us.
One of the best mixers that you can get in about $200 is मैं बताता हूँ, the one I have. I did a lot of research a few years ago when I bought this one. This is called Yamaha MG10 XU. I can share the link here in the chat later. But the good thing with this is it has a USB output. built in.
Okay, yeah, that's what we need, right? To connect to the laptop.
So I found this is one of the best quality mixers at the minimum price. If you go below,
Okay.
most of them do not have a USB out. So
Yes, yes,
if
yes.
you are willing to spend that kind of money, and believe me, that's not all you will spend. You'll spend on cables, you'll spend on microphone.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Meenakshi ji, I had the same dilemma as you, but I think थोड़ा सा हम investment at this point will go a long way. It's for you. You are a great singer. So अगर आपको सामने
Thank you.
साथ साथ में मिल जाए अच्छा वाला, so you will you'll go just you'll outstand and blow everything, and it's your own investment. You'll have the infrastructure
Yeah.
ready for times to come. So it's
And
Yes,
really
I'm,
yes.
worth
and
investing
I'm not
that.
saying this is the only mixer. There may be other mixers. This is the one
Uh,
I know I have been using for many years.
Thank you for the information. Thank you.
So
Thank you
sure.
so much, Manish ji. Thank you, Deepa ji, and we'll keep continuing. We'll have different sessions beyond this music one, but today we are starting. So first of all, I want to thank Govind ji and Meenu ji for preparing, designing the great radio show, and congratulations to all the singers. We will put it on record. I mean, we'll have a point where you can go and listen to it time and again to see how they have recorded so well, sang so well, and the quality is really amazing. So we can have a standard model that we can try to. Yes, Manish ji.
And thank you to Deepa ji for preparing that presentation,
Oh
taking time.
yes, yes,
Great. It was
amazing. Let's
very
a
good.
great
Very
applause
good.
for Deepa ji to come up with all the amazing points. And I request all of you to please review that PowerPoint, as well as the last show, the first pilot project we had for the 8 singers. They had the quality that was really beyond outstanding, beyond words. Even radio people agreed that the quality was amazing. So please listen to it, and we all can learn from it how to record that way and send, so that the radio people do not reject our song. First of all, we ourselves will have some quality check, all the team members, and we are sure that what you will do is will be amazing and outstanding, and the quality will be too good to have to put into words. So let's try. So please send I request all of you to please send your recording by Friday 9 p.m. so that we can review, analyze, and then go forward to Radio Zindagi with the song. So all of you can submit one song or multiple songs that you like, and we'll then get back to you about the analysis and review of that. So